What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Creator's Table. And of course, I got some tips, tricks, and wisdom for you today. We're doing part two of a part one that we did called Making Better Content or How to Make Better Content. So, in the first episode, I gave you 5 ways to make better content. I'll share those with you real quick. Number one is be transparent. Number two, focus on your audience. Number three, add some research to your claims. Number four, quote experts. And number five, use visuals, extra videos. So number six, or if we were doing it part two and you started all over, depending on who you are, I like to start all over, is your headlines, aka your hooks. How do you get the person to stop the scroll? That's the number one thing you got to think about on a consistent basis. Because if the person has no reason to stop scrolling, they can never find out the information you have inside of the video or the picture. They're never going to go to the caption if you don't captivate them by the headlines. Now, some headline types that usually work well are things like controversial topics. I put one the other day, and I did it on purpose. I put why you shouldn't work around your kids. And quicker than I could think about, people were on that post and they were like, hey, I only came here because I was getting ready to debate this. So controversial topics, something like this. This video is for someone who's struggling with whatever you're going to talk about, or have you ever, or make sure you watch to the end. You want to pull people in because you need their attention to tell them or to show them whatever information you want to get to them, which brings us to our next part. Add value. Number two, or number seven, add value. You want your content adding to someone's life to make it better, to make it easier, or to challenge them so that they could live a better life or an easier life. When I say easy, I don't mean by like roses and things like that, but the ability to get through life a little better. Add value. One of my favorites is throwbacks. Number three, or number eight, throwbacks. Show people where you came from. Show people how you were grinding before you got where you're at. I put a video up the other day, and it was a video of me doing squats inside a Starbucks and some Uggs boots. And the video was so horrible. Well, it wasn't horrible, but the video was so unpolished that I didn't even like cut the beginning part out where you're like, you press record and you're stepping away. I didn't even cut that part out. I let it rip. But throwbacks work because people get to see where you came from, and they're usually encouraged to know if you were struggling 6 years ago, it's okay if I struggle too. I can get there too. Number four, this is one that goes unnoticed a lot, but it's probably one of your key ones you want to add to your regimen. Poll your audience. Ask your audience questions. Ask them, what do you feel about this? How would you do this? This or that? Either or, true or false. This gets your audience being engaged with your content. Why do I want that? Because if they're not engaged, they're not going to come back and you're not going to have more people. That's that simple. Last one for the day. Add entertainment. Three things I always say for content: it should be either educational, empowering, or entertaining. Entertainment is great. If you can mix entertainment in with being educational, then you got something going here. It's hard to do, but you can make it work. So let me know, which one of these are you going to start trying, and let me know, are you subscribed to this podcast? If not, my heart's broken. Like, it's broken in pieces, and I really don't want my heart to stay broken. So I need you to subscribe and then go share it with a friend. Take care, guys.